For millions of years, Thylacines roamed the lands of Tasmania, a brother to the well-renowned Tasmanian devil, an Australian legend. Thylacines were considered a threat to the British settlers, and as such, had their populations murdered and mercilessly pushed into extinction. But now, one man has found a way to bring them back.
Throughout modern history, countless breakthroughs in genetics have pushed what is possible in science. First, the structure of DNA, CRISPR, cloning. Today, I bring you the next step. This is de-extinction. The coupled sample of DNA we found in our preserved pulp. We can use the process of somatic cell nuclear transplantation to clone the thylacine. By reintroducing them into the wild, we will finally restore the ecosystem which we have disturbed. Take the Tasmanian devils for example. The extinction of the thylacine caused their population to grow at an exponential rate. It has been hypothesized that this allowed the spread of the facial tumor, threatening them into extinction. Bringing back the thylacine will not only control the population through competition, but it will hopefully cause the eradication of the disease.
Activists who turned up in hundreds today at the Australian Museum in protest of the de-extinction project are now cheering after learning it has been shut down. The project, aimed to revive extinct animals, has raised controversy and been labelled a waste of taxpayers' dollars as well as a crime against nature.
The de-extinction project must not be shut down. It is too important to lose. But as I'm sure you're all aware, we've lost all our support. We have none from our sponsors.
It's just too dangerous. The science is too young.
None from the government.
Hey, damn it! The people want us winning wars and curing cancer.
None from the public.
What's next? We're gonna bring back the dinosaurs to let loose in our parks?
We have no right in playing God. Let nature run its course unless you want to bring back the devil.
Well, the museum's withholding thylacine DNA.
So it's over? Why'd you call us in here for then, Doc?
Well, we're gonna steal the DNA.
We're trying to restore the balance of nature which we've upset.